how much focused are you now? How much do you feel connected with the group? And how's your feeling of safety in this group? And what you can see while you see the numbers coming in, this is a total normal score.
So when I say it's normal, what I mean with it, in the webinars I did the last year, these scores were almost always this number, between a 6 and an 8 for the focus of the people, between a 4 and a 5 for the connection, and something between 6 and an 8 for the safety in the group. So I'm just curious, when you think about your own meetings, what do you think the scores are? The meetings you have with your company, the webinars you have, what do you think are your scores of the people who are attending? Because if it's a 6 to 8 focus, actually there is no 100% focus for there. So they're still busy with other things. So that decreases the quality and the results. When there's not a real connection, how much people are really willing to work with each other and help each other? And when the safety is not optimal, then how much really do you think people dare to step forward and ask confronting or vulnerable questions? Now, what is my call to action for you? Why don't you ask these questions when you start doing a webinar or a meeting, and just become aware how the temperature is of the group. And maybe then on that moment, you can also right away start taking action to change it. I wish you all the best with it. Success. Cheers.